Sorry. Sorry, guys. We just attacked the melon, guys. Ow. Pumpkin? Huh? What's at home? I gotta do goofy things. I know, I gotta invite my friends too. Just 3 of them.
Meron ding time limit sa gamit. 60 minutes may notification na sa mga bata para sa app. Din na by default na sa notification at lahat ng DM may auto-reply. As a parent, you don't have to. They cannot change any of these settings alone. They cannot. Only a parent can change the settings. Kung paano kung merong magtangkandaya ng kaniyang edad. Aminado ang Meta, wala silang share kung paraan para pero meron naman sila mga proseso na pinag-aas para i-verify ang edad ng user. If we suspected their line, and they will either do a selfie, it's called face prediction, and until they do prove their age, they won't be allowed back on Instagram. They can also use their whole account. Hindi niya isuportado ang
my new pants
and that's for a huge anything that touches our youth. We're very protective and very supportive of. We support freedom of expression, but we also guard against any harmful effects on the internet, especially po sa mga kabataan natin.
Oh, hey, Melon. Just wait. Ouch. Now, he's next. Come on. Alright, I'm gonna lock the door. I'm gonna lock the door, okay?
Platforms, the applications, how to be responsible digital citizens. So it's very important para sa amin po yung digital education and instruction.
Let's go. Before Pumpkin gets home.
They can properly advise and supervise their children.
Yeah, boy, magupe. Okay. Gumalama. Okay, so. We will break Pumpkin's rules. He says do not fart in his bed. Oh, okay. I'm gonna go into your friend's bed. Hey, yo. I don't. Wait, what the heck? What? I fought the whole room up. Yeah.
daw siya sa kapatid na may binili pa mong sasakyan bilang birthday gift sa sarili.
I'm so proud of her. Happy birthday to you. Congratulations to your new car. And of course, pinag-pray ko yung everyday income mo na mag-stable pa. And maraming ka pang blessings na matanggap.
Equally sa kanyang kuya. Natapos siya siya sabi ng kapatid dahil isa-isa na raw nilang pupuntahan at kanilang
Parang all this time na parang wala tayong tinitiran, wala tayong sariling bahay. Ngayon finally, parang paras tayo nag-improve na achieve natin yung mga dreams natin.
Focus daw ngayon si Jack sa pagganap na karakter sa Jimmy Prime series na tapos Sparrow bilang kapatid si Hex Silvero from suspect turned asset na si Hex ng PBI na ginagamit ang kanyang
Do 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 do. Do 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 do.
Dito bilang hacker. Wala akong dito nire-resolve wala akong din nasusolusyonan na problema namin sa task force tayo.
Aubrey Garambel, updated to showbiz happening. And that's my chief
Yeah.
this Thursday night. Sa ngalan ni Ian Dorian.
I'm here. Why your friends here?
Miss Mel, Sir Emil.
Ugh, it stinks. That was my friend. You broke your
Oy.
every single rule.
Kwento naman ng magigiting na haliting ng tahanan.
Sorry, guys.
Tama-tama. Kapapalapit ng Father's Day.
Okay.
Father's Day here.
Refart your room.
Pero mga
Up.
iba pang pinag-iwan.
You will pay.